Hey guys, this is Garrett with Nuffers Gear. I've got a quick tip and trick today. A few of them actually, based on the Helinox chairs. First one, as you're setting up the chair and you have the bag, you can just slip it over the front two stays. And then when you're sitting in it, you can put stuff in the bag, like your phone or whatever, and then you have quick access to it. Alright, so the next tip is how to actually fold this up. I'm sure if you guys have done it, it's a pain in the butt, and because these bags are just barely big enough to fit it. But there is a way that you can fold it up to make it a lot easier. Alright, so once you have all the frame folded up, you put that right where the butt goes, and you fold this over nice and tight. And then the key here is that these can't be like this. They need to be like this because they actually curve, so they need to curve around the stakes instead of curving up, which is going to make the overall package a lot bigger. So you kind of rotate them like that, and then you roll it again. You do the same thing, fold those in and roll. If you were to keep rolling though, again, you'd have that same issue. So for that last bit, you just fold it like that so that they can wrap around. And then it is much easier to get in the bag and zip up, as I struggled to do so. It's still not super easy, but it's easier. So yeah, there it is. That's a few tips on the Helinox camp chairs, which these things are awesome. If you haven't got one, you should.